Leverage Instagram to build your local business presence in Arizona. In 2025, Instagram remains a powerful tool for boosting your local business presence in Arizona. Start by optimizing your profile with a clear bio that highlights your unique value and location. Use a professional profile photo, such as your logo, and include a link to your website or booking page. Consistently post high-quality, visually appealing content that showcases your products, services, and the local culture of Arizona. Geotag your posts and stories to attract nearby customers, and use relevant hashtags like @Arizona Small Business, @ShopLocalAZ, or city-specific tags like @Phoenix Eats or @Tucson Events to increase visibility among local audiences. Engage with your community to build strong connections. Engagement is key to building a loyal local following. Respond promptly to comments and direct messages to demonstrate excellent customer service. Collaborate with other Arizona-based businesses or influencers to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Share user-generated content from your customers to build trust and encourage others to support your business. Additionally, host Instagram live Q&A sessions, behind-the-scenes tours, or product launches to connect with your audience in real time. These interactive experiences help humanize your brand and foster stronger relationships within your community. Utilize Instagram ads and analytics for targeted growth. Finally, take advantage of Instagram's advanced advertising tools to target local customers effectively. Create location-specific ads highlighting special offers, events, or seasonal promotions tailored to your Arizona audience. Use analytics to monitor the performance of your posts and ads, identifying what resonates most with your followers. By continuously refining your strategy based on data insights, you can maximize your reach and ensure your Instagram efforts drive measurable results for your local business.